So hi guys, we are back with another video and this is what we have here today. So actually the box is missing, so from the guy I bought the box was not there, so this is all we got. So I think from the looks you can guess like what it actually contains. So obviously let me focus. So obviously you can see a Dranzer, right? And it's a Dranzer V guys, the burst remake one. So guys, Dranzer V burst remake is pretty much rare. It is really hard to find one. So guys, I'm not sure, but I think this is rare Beyblade because this is the first time I'm seeing this guy in flesh. Guys, I haven't seen a lot of people using or selling this Beyblade. So this is a Dranzer V, not the blue version, because the blue version came in V remake set, which was actually I think anniversary edition. So that came in just set only. So this was released separately. So it is a silver color Dranzer V. So guys, I am not gonna bore you with all that facts and all, so let me cut it right open and let me show you that what I have in stores for you today. So here goes stickers. So guys, this is all we get, so let me open them one by one. Here we go. So we got the driver out. Let me cut this thing as well. Okay, we got zero disc. Look at this silver Dranzer, looks cool I guess. So guys, it looks cool honestly, and I think bit chip is made out of metal guys. It feels metalish. I think it's metal guys, pretty good. So it's not that big honestly, but it is okay in terms of size. So guys, we have unboxed our Dranzer. So let me put the stickers and then I'll be right back and we'll talk more about this guy. So guys, we have completed attaching the stickers on our Dranzer V. So as you can see, this is our Dranzer V, and I'm not sure why they did a cutout here, but there was no sticker. I ran out of the stickers, so I literally have no clue why this sticker cutout is there. But no worries, we applied it as much as we could. So guys, for your comparison, let me bring out the original Dranzer V. So here you can see this is the Dranzer V from the plastic generation and this is the Dranzer V from the burst generation. So I think they did it pretty good. It is a little bit, very little bit bigger than this plastic generation, but not sure like why they did the silver color guys. I'm literally not sure. They should have released it in blue, but no worries. So guys, there is one thing, that this is a charge driver on Dranzer. So I don't know why they gave the charge driver. It cannot switch modes or something, but this Dranzer V, it has the ability to switch mode between a balance type and attack type. It can switch between those two modes, so it's magnetic. So at least they should have used a driver which had the tip to do so. So that should be better I guess. So guys, that is Dranzer V. So for the parts, here is the Dranzer V layer. We got the zero disc and we got the charge driver. So guys, this is the first time I'm holding the charge driver, so it feels pretty good. And honestly guys, most of the remakes, I don't know why, but they always get good drivers. So let me put the bay back, and to compare it with their burst cousins, I brought Drasil V, Dragoon V2 and Dranzer V2. So look at the difference between these two. There is a lot of difference I guess. So before we do any battle, there is one test still left to do. So let me bring out the weigh scale to compare this guy with others. So guys, we got our weighing scale. So let me weigh this guy first. 52 grams, pretty good I would say. So let me compare it with this original Dranzer V, and that's pretty light compared to 52 grams. So that is, the original one is 33 grams. So that is way too lighter. I don't think so there is any comparison in terms of weight. This burst remake will deliver just one hit, and I think that would be game over for plastic gen Dranzer V. So there is no comparison honestly. Let me try to weigh Drasil V. So Drasil V also weighs pretty good. It's 50 grams. So that is pretty comparable I guess. Now Dragoon V2. Dragoon V2 weighs almost equal. That is 52 grams. Pretty good. Now Dranzer V2. Dranzer V2 weighs 48 grams. So Dranzer V2 is a bit lighter. So guys, I would say in terms of weight, this guy got pretty good weight, and it is heavy because of this metal part in this bit chip and this charge driver. So let me weigh the charge driver. So guys, charge driver is weighing 15 grams. So that is one heck of a driver. And guys, zero disc as usual 22 grams, and the layer is weighing 14 grams. So I guess guys, layer and driver are pretty good in terms of weight. And on the top of that, hear these sounds. Teeths are pretty good, guys. I'm impressed in terms of teeth. So Dranzer V2 doesn't have that good of a teeth, but this Dranzer V, it does have amazing teeth, guys. Rest of the stuff we'll figure it out when we'll do the battle. So let me bring out the stadium and let's do some battle. So guys, we got our stadium set up and we are ready for the battle. So we got these three base here, Drasil V, Dragoon V2 and Dranzer V2. And we gonna test our Dranzer V against these. So for the very first battle, it's gonna go against Drasil V. And I think it should be an easy win. So let's do the battle, guys. So Dranzer V versus Drasil V burst remakes. So guys, obviously I'm gonna launch Drasil V first. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Now Dranzer V. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. It was a pretty easy win. I don't know why. My launch was not really that great or what. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Dranzer V. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh. And guys, Drasil V busted, so I guess battle ends here. So I'm not sure, guys, what is wrong with Drasil V, but it is really bad. It never spins properly, it wobbles a lot, and it bursts pretty easily. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. And obviously the driver doesn't help at all. It's making things worse. So let me move this guy away. So guys, let's try this thing against Dragoon V2 and let's see how it does. So guys, I'm gonna launch Dranzer V first because Dragoon V2 has low stamina. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Dragoon, let it rip. And Dragoon V2 took out Dranzer V just by one shot. And that is expected. So let's do one thing. This time I'm gonna launch Dragoon first, then I'm gonna launch Dranzer. Let's see how that goes for us. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. So I guess Dragoon V2 lost stamina, maybe. So it was a draw somehow. Pretty good battle. I'm not gonna drag this battle any longer, so I'm gonna leave Dragoon V2 out. Now here it drills down. Dranzer V2 versus Dranzer V. Let's see which is a better bay. So guys, for the first time, I'm gonna launch Dranzer V first, then I'm gonna launch Dranzer V2. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And here we go, reboot driver activates. No contact so far. And Dranzer V won it pretty easily, guys. Wow, that's amazing. So let me launch Dranzer V2 first, then I'm gonna launch Dranzer V and let's see how that goes. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Whoa, whoa. Now the charge driver was charging, I guess. Again, no contact. I guess the driver has a lot of similarity between these two. So they are avoiding. And still, I wouldn't say it was a clear win, but looks like Dranzer V would have won. But still, it was much of a draw. So guys, I'm gonna stop this video at this point. So you let me know which bay against I should battle this guy. It is pretty comparable to the V2 series. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.